If you're looking for an RC truck that can hit 50+ miles per hour, handle rough terrain, and still give you serious control, this RIAARIO 1/10 brushless monster truck deserves a look. It combines a 3650/2650 kV brushless motor, 60A ESC, 4WD drivetrain, carbon fiber components, a CNC central differential, and an 11 kg metal gear servo. So, is this just another fast RC truck, or is it actually worth your money? Let's find out. Speed and performance. The headline feature is obviously the speed. RIAARIO claims this truck can reach over 50 mph, powered by a 3650/2650 kV brushless motor paired with a 60A ESC. And because it's a 4WD truck, power is distributed to all four wheels, giving you much better traction when driving across dirt, grass, gravel, and other uneven surfaces. This isn't designed to be a slow beginner toy. It's a high-performance RC basher built for people who want speed, jumps, and aggressive off-road driving. Build quality. The truck uses a combination of carbon fiber and hardened aluminum alloy components, including carbon fiber sections in the chassis and shock tower areas. There's also a CNC machined central differential designed to provide smoother power delivery. And with oil-filled adjustable shocks and multi-terrain tires, it's built to handle much more than a smooth driveway. That said, real-world owners have reported that the truck can take significant abuse, although the body and some smaller components can still be damaged during very hard crashes. Control and handling. One of the more interesting features is the 11 kg metal gear steering servo. There's also a built-in gyroscope that helps stabilize the truck when you're driving aggressively. The included 5-channel 2.4 GHz transmitter offers throttle limit settings, which is useful if you're not ready to unleash the full speed immediately. So you can start slower, get comfortable with the controls, and gradually work your way toward full power. Battery and setup. The truck uses a 3S LiPo setup, giving the brushless motor the power it needs for high-speed driving. One thing to keep in mind is that battery and charging requirements are important with a performance RC truck like this. Before buying, check exactly what is included in the current package, because battery configurations and bundles can vary. Pros and cons. So, what do I like? The biggest advantages are the 50+ miles per hour potential, 4WD drivetrain, brushless motor, carbon fiber and aluminum construction, gyro stabilization, CNC central differential, and a powerful steering servo. It also offers throttle limit settings, making the truck easier to control while you're learning. But there are a few drawbacks. Some owners have mentioned short motor to ESC cables, a relatively thin body, and some smaller components that may need attention after heavy abuse. And at this speed, this is definitely not something you should drive around people, traffic, or crowded areas. Final verdict. Overall, the RIAARIO 1/10 brushless RC truck looks like a serious option for anyone who wants high-speed off-road performance without moving into an extremely expensive hobby-grade setup. You get a powerful brushless system, 4WD, carbon fiber components, a gyro, a strong steering servo, and a claimed top speed of more than 50 miles per hour. If you're looking for an RC truck for high-speed bashing, jumps, dirt, grass, and serious outdoor fun, this one is definitely worth checking out. I've put the product link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. And if you enjoyed this review, subscribe for more RC, tech, and gadget reviews.